For question number 5, I want to solve the proportion. So I'm going to multiply the diagonal that does not have the x. So 25 times 5. And then divide by the other number. So 3.3. So 25 times 5 divided by 3.3. And we get 37.8787, and the 87 keeps going. We're supposed to round this to the nearest tenth, so all I need to have is just 2 decimal places so that I can round. So this 7 tells me to round this 8 up to a 9, so it will be 37.9. Now my units on it are going to be milliliters because this is on the bottom, the x is on the bottom, and that needs to match the other denominator. For number 6, we see that we have a fraction inside of the proportion, so I want to change that to a decimal. So if you take 3 divided by 4, you get 0.75. So 3/4 is the same as 0.75. And I'm ready to solve the proportion. So you want to multiply the diagonal that does not have the x, and then divide by the other number. So 50 times 0.75 divided by 20. And we get 1.875. And then rounding that to the nearest tenth is going to give you 1.9. Now there's no units in the proportion, so my answer doesn't need any units.